Let's see, anybody hiding in here? Oh, I think I see a red-backed salamander. Red-backed salamanders can look just like this with that red streak on their back, or they can also be all black with kind of little white flecks. The first very important thing to do is to make sure that I don't have any lotions, bug spray, or sunscreen on my hand. So if I did, I would have to go wash that right off, because amphibians have very porous skin, which means it has a lot of little holes in it that allow the amphibian to absorb water and other nutrients through its skin. But if I had chemicals on my hand, that means the amphibian would also absorb those chemicals. My hands are very dry, and amphibians need moisture in their skin. They have this special mucus covering their skin that helps to protect them and keep them nice and moist. If I were to touch an amphibian with very dry skin, that would actually rub that mucus off of their skin, and that could harm them. And I see my 2 salamanders. Carefully just pick some of this wet kind of leaf litter up in my hand. Make sure that my fingers are just a little bit moist from the soil, and now I can very gently pick up the salamander. Holding my salamander with an open palm, and he's resting on that nice moist soil. Salamanders are vertebrates, so they do actually have bones, so we want to be very careful when handling them. When returning your salamander back to where you found it, first put down whatever it was under, and then release your salamander. If you have to hold an amphibian, now you know how. But remember, only handle amphibians if you absolutely have to, and never take an amphibian home with you. It is actually illegal to take an animal from the wild and keep it as a pet in Rhode Island.